Can we join the Apple Intelligence Waitlist? Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are tackling a question that a lot of users have been asking. Can we actually join the Apple Intelligence Waitlist? So let's dive in and find out. Alright, so Apple Intelligence is Apple's way of letting select users test out a new AI-driven features before they are publicly released. But here's the big question. Can anyone join the waitlist? Right now, Apple hasn't opened up the waitlist to everyone. Typically, Apple sends out invitations to certain users, often developers or those enrolled in special Apple programs, so it's not a public sign-up just yet. If you are interested, here are a couple of tips. Keep your Apple ID updated with accurate info and make sure you are signed up for Apple's beta programs. This may increase your chances of being invited when the program expands. And that's it for today. So while you can't join the Apple Intelligence waitlist directly, keeping an eye on Apple's announcement and staying active with the beta programs could help. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.